Welcome!
Hey kids, how's it going? It's me and Luke from the Tagcast. Today we're playing The White Noise. It's like a naked Slenderman trying to chase you. He's still an asshole though.
Let's
Look at
play
that hand.
with the volume up, bro.
What?
Yeah, we're gonna just play a game.
Oh my god, it's Julius Caesar.
You need to stop. You need to stop with the Christopher Walken already.
Yeah.
Start game. Find all the tape recorders.
There's tape.
This is how you run. This is how you flashlight.
Just do that to the monsters. Okay, we should get serious.
Okay.
So
Get serious.
this is our first ever podcast / let's play.
It's the same thing, really.
It can be fabulous.
Babby dabby doos are.
Instead, we're going to probably talk more about the game.
Yeah. Oh, he's fucking coughing already.
Yeah.
Got AIDS.
You have
That
no.
That looks like a deer. Look.
Hello. I am a deer. The white man's coming for you.
The white man. Not even racist.
Oh, we are white.
Exactly.
Shoot.
Oh my
I'm
god.
going to say that N-word.
Cobblestones!
Oh my god, we're in freaking Minecraft. I like the look of that gate. That is such a fabulous gate.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. I don't want to run now, because it puts my light down and then I'll just shit myself.
It's a Colosseum.
Oh, I can hear one. Can you hear it? I can feel it going in the air. Hello.
That's a big old tape recorder.
I know, right? I can feel it. Oh, shit!
Hug me. we should have like an intro.
It's gone.
He pops up. Hello, Dave. I was waiting for it to pop up behind you.
Hola, this is Dave.
No, Mrs. Superman not here.
Hola, this is Dave.
Hello, Dave. Look at that tree.
It's gone all speckly.
I'm gonna say this game is it supposed to be about staticky?
Yeah.
I'm freaking recording this with that freaking them video
Should be
camera
something over here.
potatoes.
Can I hear one? Ah! Fucking! Oh! Fuck! You bitch!
I was not expecting that.
Oh, okay. I feel like you should play. No.
So,
God.
you are dead.
God damn it.
That's hilarious. Time, 2 minutes away.
Are we done with this game? Here, you play the next game.
Oh god, I'm gonna lose myself.
Oh wow, that was just amazing.
Okay, hey, what's that trigger do?
We'll just have one go each and then we'll play something different.
Oh, so the triggers do these. I said, what?
Yeah, it's the
I
same.
want to pee. Too late. What the hell is that? It's like a giant tentacle. Oh wait, it's a hand.
It looks like a hand.
Looks like a normal thing. Look at damn hands.
Oh, they sexy.
They don't need a big hand.
Oh my god, I just shit myself.
Hello.
Oh, I can hear one. Look around for it.
Hello.
Oh, it's
Hey.
there.
Oh,
We
A.
found it.
Anybody knows works.
A button.
I'm gonna run. Turn my light off because I can't see a thing.
Oh god.
Look at them stars.
It's awful.
Oh snap! Those stars look beautiful.
It's so pretty.
I think I.
Hey Bob, I like the lights.
I'm gonna attempt to do that and see if it scares me.
Yeah, piss off.
Fucking dog.
What?
Hello?
Hey, it's there! What are you doing, man?
I don't know.
Run! I'm pretty sure that was it.
That's just like a ghost thing, man. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Don't be. Don't be sure. Hello? Housekeeping? Don't touch me. Hello? Ah, not the ghost.
Is that what I...
Freaking ghost things, man. Isn't it also like, I watched Team Epiphany play this, and it's supposed to be like a weird cat thing that does this thing. Hello?
Why are you turning the light off?
I don't know. It's scary. When I'm scared, I turn the light off.
Okay, you are afraid of the light.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like the opposite.
Hello! Oh.
Jesus fucking Christ. I'm still scared. I'm pretty sure there's some in them pillars somewhere.
I'm pretty sure that if I turn around my eyes, there's going to be right behind me. And then I'm going to poo myself.
Just turn the light on and look around them pillars, because there's one. You just went past some pillars.
Hello?
Wait, can we hear one?
Yes.
I think it's this way. Keep going this way.
Hello? Oh, hello, Mr. Crocodile. You're a crocodile, right?
I'm gonna eat you, boy.
I'm gonna eat your face. Hello? Hello, Mr.
I hear another one. Oh,
where is it? Yeah, you son of a bitch. Let me see that, boss. Found you.
We have.
Now we turn off our lights and we run. This must be so horrible footage. Just back screen.
My balls are itchy.
And scratch them. Hello, Mr.
Scratch them.
I'm gonna scratch them.
Fairly whispering. I watched that the other day.
Damn, nigga, you crazy. I'm sorry if I said that word. I can't afford an Xbox. Hello? Where is it?
Don't say hello. He doesn't want to say hello. He just wants to rape you.
I thought he wants to hug me. Come on, friends. Hug me.
Do you remember when we started the recording?
Oh. I don't have a watch on me.
We should probably pause
Okay.
and see if we are recording. Welcome to the technical difficulties of the podcast. Where is the fucking thing? We are gay.
Yes. Wait, what?
Hello, we're back. It didn't, yeah, it did.
Okay, we're playing the game. Again. Because the walking again, kind of. Oh my god, I got around in circles, I believe.
I have an idea what we'll also do after this one.
Okay.
Because this isn't going to last very long, so we'll do a couple, or maybe 3.
We'll probably just play it at once, just to scare ourselves.
Yeah.
This is a very scary game.
We should play Horde mode on Saints Row.
Okay. I like the sounds of that.
Because it's funny.
Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Hello?
I do have cheats on that game though, so I don't know whether it's going to work.
My god, this guy went so slow. Run faster, you son of a bitch.
Hello! Well, I think that's the end of that game.
That's scary.
It scared the bejesus out of my butthole!
If you want to suggest a game to us, okay now.
Well, that was productive.
And scary.
And shitting.
If you want to suggest a game, go to our Twitter page or Facebook page or even here on YouTube.
Comment below. Leave us a like if you wanna. And I'll rip your nipples off.
Yay, nipples!
Have a good day. From Tagcast.
Day.
Bye!